Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll create simple store procedure to create record into employee table. Here I have employee table. I have four columns. ID. This is an identity column. First name, last name, and salary. Okay. To create store procedure, right click on store procedure folder. Then click on store procedure. Here I want to remove this all. I don't need this. If you are creating store procedure, you have to give your name, author, then create date, description. Here I am not giving anything to this. Okay, now let's create store procedure. This command is used to create new procedure. Create procedure, then procedure name we have to give UP, then create employee. Here we have to pass the parameter. First name, last name, and salary. We have three parameters. Okay. First name, then data type varchar, size 100, then last name, data type varchar 100, then salary, data type decimal. Okay, next as begin and in between this we have to create insert statement for this table. Insert into employee table. Yeah, don't need to pass this ID because it's identity column. We have to pass three parameter: first name, so, and second last name, salary. These are column names. Then values. Here we have to pass this parameter: first name, comma, second parameter, third parameter. Finally, we'll use select statement. Select store from employee table name. Okay. Okay, guys, this is how we can create simple store procedure to create a record into employee table. Okay, now execute this procedure. It will create store procedure. Okay, see here, right click on store procedure, refresh. Here we have create employee store procedure. Okay, now we can execute this store procedure in one way. Here we have to pass the parameter. First parameter, first name, expand store procedure here. Here we have the parameters folder. Here we have to pass three parameter: first name, last name, and salary. So first name will be Raja, then comma, second parameter John, third salary we can give without single quote. Okay, now execute this procedure. Okay, see here, record inserted in employee table. Okay, now we can modify this um, data. Krishna Peter 45,000, then execute. Second record also inserted in table. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.